everybody, welcome back to my channel. I just have something quick and fast to say. Like I said before, I wanted to try something on my hair that would not be damaging to my hair, that would not scare me and weigh my hair down. I just wanted to use natural things. I did say I want to use rose waters. What we're gonna do today, show you guys how to make rose water. So I didn't want to buy any out the store. Only God knows what they put in that stuff. So in order for me to know too, I'm gonna make my own organic rose water so me and the Lord can know. Hey, so let's get started, y'all.
Okay, y'all, you're gonna need distilled water, organic roses, preferably. If you can't find organic roses, get regular, medium to large pot, a bowl, and a pot's lid that fits your pot. All right, now that we have our pot, we're gonna add our distilled water at the bottom. Just cover the bottom of the pot with the water. And we're gonna measure it by putting a bowl in the water because that's what you'll need. And I just measured it. Some people use a brick or a smaller bowl at the bottom, then put their bowl on top. I couldn't do that because my lid wouldn't fit if I did. So now I took the bowl out. Okay, and you add the roses in. And guys, because my roses were organic, they started to wither a little faster, and I had to go on and use them. And now we're putting the bowl in the middle of the roses. Make sure you put the bowl in the middle and your roses fit around your bowl. And now I'm going to add the water also, more distilled water into my pot just to cover the roses a little bit. But if you get water inside the bowl, make sure you pour it out because you don't want any water in the bowl. And here you add your lid upside down. You don't want it upright. You want it upside down so the water can drip from the steam into the bowl. See? But one thing, always remember, add ice on top of your lid. Right here, instead of me adding ice, I added an ice pack because I need my ice for sweet tea. So the ice pack will work. And just checking to see if everything is going well, and it is. And the water right here in the bowl is all your nutrients and your vitamins from the roses. This water right here mixed in with the roses is what's left behind after the nutrients are drained. Now I'm taking the water from the bowl and putting it in the jar to cool it down and get it ready for the spray bottle. What's left behind is this and your roses with no color. I'm pouring it in a jar also so you guys can see the difference in the water in the pot with the roses and the water from the steam in the bowl. You see the difference? It's a big difference. One is darker than the other one. It's a big difference. Now that my rose water has cooled down, I'm pouring it in a spray bottle and getting it ready to use. And there you have it. I made a little mess, but hey, we'll clean it up. There you have it. And we're going to throw the rest of this on out. The darker one, we're going to throw it out because we don't need it. And don't forget to refrigerate your rose water, guys, after you use it so it can last longer. And now we're going to use it. It's so refreshing on my hair. I'm already loving it. I'm moisturizing my hair with this rose water. It's enough product for me, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.